want to find the best tips available for how to make sure that your cooking is not only healthy but also tastes good. This is an important combination to consider when making sure that both you and everyone eating your food is happy. Here are some great tips to follow. Make sure you store all of your spices in cool and dark places. Make sure they are not over the stove. Humidity, light, and heat will cause them to lose their flavor. That will not make for a good tasting meal. Get a spice rack and store it in your pantry. Ice water can save the color of your vegetables. Dull washed out vegetables do not look as appealing to eat. If you want bright and vibrant vegetables, then you should plunge them into ice water after blanching them. Vibrantly colored vegetables look much more appetizing in salads and pasta dishes. Always bring your steaks to room temperature before cooking them. A steak that is still cold in the center will not cook as evenly as one that is brought up to room temperature. Usually taking them out 1 hour in advance will get them to the proper temperature at cooking time. You don't need to go out and buy an expensive gravy for your dish. Instead, save the juices that your meat creates at the bottom of your pan, and use that as the base for a nice gravy. It's a lot cheaper and can taste great. There are many different recipes available that use this juice to make gravy. As your cooking prowess grows, you will learn to appreciate the versatility of stocks and broths. Rather than buying these useful ingredients at the store or wasting your time cooking them in small batches, prepare stocks in large quantities. You can store surplus stock in plastic bags in your freezer, ready for quick use in future recipes. If you are looking to save time for cooking dinners because of your busy schedule, being prepared beforehand can make all the difference. Having ingredients already prepared and measured out to be cooked, as well as having the meat thawed out, can save you valuable time when it comes to making dinner for the family. To summarize, you want to make sure that not only are you preparing a delicious meal, but that you are doing so in a manner that is healthy. This can be hard to do unless you know some of the key tips provided here in this article. Hopefully, they will work for you.